Hello, welcome to next session. In this session, we will solve general knowledge paper of year 2024 of CDS exam 1. Question number 1 is consider the following statements about your culture of the Deccan. 1. It covers practically the whole of modern Maharashtra except coastal Konkan district. 2. The Pravara Godavari valleys seem to have been the nuclear zone. 3. The large size of this culture yield evidence of shifting agriculture. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So here all statements are correct, and the explanation of first statement is it covers practically whole of the modern Maharashtra except coastal Konkan district. So this is true. The Jog culture, a Catholithic culture of Deccan, primarily covered Maharashtra excluding coastal Konkan region, extended over a wide area including the Pravara Godavari basin in central Maharashtra, Purna Valley and parts of Vidarbha. The culture's influence stretched from Kandesh region in the north to the upper Krishna Valley in the south, but it did not reach the coastal region. Okay, so first statement is true. Second statement is the Pravara Godavari valleys seem to have been nuclear zone. So this is correct. The Pravara Godavari basin in central Maharashtra is considered the nuclear zone of the Jog culture. The Jog culture, a Catholithic archaeological culture, flourished in the Deccan region of India, primarily in present-day Maharashtra. The Pravara Godavari valleys are seen as center from which the culture spread. And a third statement is the large sites of this culture yield evidence of shifting agriculture. So this statement is also correct. The Jog culture, a Deccan Catholic culture, is known for practicing shifting cultivation, also known as slash and burn agriculture. This involved clearing land by burning vegetation to temporarily enrich the soil, but in, it necessitated moving to new areas as soil fertility declined. This cyclical movement significantly influenced job community movement and settlement patterns. So answer is option D. All statements are correct. 1, 2 and 3. So all statement about job culture are correct.